What you are seeing on your screen right now is a screenshot of money that I received for simply creating and selling digital products. Now, if you don't know what digital products are, let me just take a moment to explain to you. A digital product is actually a solution that can be consumed on digital devices. It can be on your laptop, it can be on your smartphone, it can be on TV, or it can be on the internet. All right. These digital products can make you a lot of money. As we speak today, millions of people all over the world are actually creating digital products and selling online, and they are making real money, meaning that you can do this business from the comfort of your home. Even if you are not a techie person, even if you do not have capital, you can do this and make money for yourself as a side business, or maybe as a full-time business if you have the time. So if you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you 10 best digital products that you can sell online in 2025. Maybe you have been thinking of how you can start selling something that can make you money. You can go into creating and selling digital products and you will make a lot of money. All right, so even if you are a beginner, whether you're a beginner, a complete beginner, or you are an experienced coach, or you're a teacher, I will show you 10 digital products that you can be creating and making money for yourself. Make sure to stick around to the end of this video, because at my number 7 or my number 6, I'm going to be sharing some important information with you. All right, if this is your first time of coming to this channel, you are welcome to my channel. My name is Awajima Misioto. On this channel, I teach you how to make money online. I teach you things that you can do that can help you grow your business and become better. All right, so having said that, let's jump right in. Let me show you 10 best digital products that you can start selling in 2025 and making money for yourself. Like this video, subscribe, make sure to turn on your notification bell. Let's dive in. Okay, number 1 on my list is AI powered tools and templates. Okay, when you hear AI, it means artificial intelligence. Okay, it means artificial intelligence. You can create artificial intelligence tools that can actually help people solve problems. AI generated content templates like email sequences, like sales scripts. That's if you are good with writing emails. Okay, you need to be good at writing emails for businesses before you can think about using AI to do that. This may not be for everybody, but you can actually do this. You can also create resumes. Now, there are lots of job seekers as we speak. Lots of people are looking for remote jobs online. Many of them are going to need cover letters. Many of them are going to need CVs. That's where you can come in. All right. You can use AI to create CVs for people. You can use it to edit CVs for people. You can use it to create cover letter for people and charge them and make money for yourself. Are you seeing this now? So this is number 1, AI powered tools and templates. Now my number 2 on the list is digital planners and productivity templates. You can be creating digital planners for stay-at-home moms, for people that are very busy, like executives that don't have time to plan other activities of their life. You can actually be creating planners for them that can help them to organize their life. All right, you can use tools like Notion, you can use tools like Trello, you can use ClickUp and different tools. You can create printable planners, something that people can print. Let's say, for instance, a typical example is a meal plan. Maybe somebody is too busy and he doesn't know which food to eat next and he doesn't want to be thinking too much. You can create a meal plan that the person can print. You don't have to be there. You can create it here in Nigeria and send it to people in the US. You can host it online. All they need to do is to make payments and download it at their end and print it. Are you seeing now? So this is number 2, digital planners and productivity templates. All right, now this one also, which is my number 3, is that you can create membership communities and subscription services. This is another good way for you to make money. This is another digital product that you can be creating. All right, let's say you know how to do something. You are a cake designer, or you are a fashion designer, or you are a photographer, and you have people that are following you. people that really want to learn from you. Instead of you teaching this person today, teaching the other person tomorrow, teaching different people and getting exhausted, what you can do is to create a membership community. All right, there are different ways you can do this. You can create a membership community where you can charge them a particular amount of money to join your membership. You can decide to do it on a subscription base, maybe like monthly, like weekly, like yearly. All right, in the membership community you can have, let's say, exclusive coaching where you teach them how to do stuff, where you sell some of your digital products, where you can give them advice, you can audit their product and all of that. Are you getting it now? So this can actually work for you. You can even use WhatsApp or Telegram, all right, or Facebook groups. This thing can work for you. As we speak, I have a membership community where people are engaging. Are you getting it? Apart from that, you can connect, all right, and do business of different kinds in your community. That is number 3. Now, before I go to number 4, if you want to join my community where I teach you how to make money online by selling digital products, go to the link in the description. I will drop a link there. Click on the link and this will take you to the community where you can engage with other persons. All right, that's number 3. Number 4 is stock media. You can sell stock media as a digital product. Let's say you are a photographer or you are a video content creator. You can sell photos that was created by you. You can sell videos. You can sell music. Now, if you go online, there are tons of websites where people download free images. All right, maybe you want to be taking pictures about plants. You can take those pictures. There are locations online where you can sell them. All right, you can sell them. People use your images and they get paid for it. All right, when you host your photos on those platforms, people see, they use it and they pay you for it. Are you getting it now? That is number 4. Number 5 is online course and ebooks. This is one of the major ways that people make money online with digital products. You can be selling your knowledge online in the form of ebooks, in the form of online courses. In fact, as a matter of fact, you do not have to create ebooks yourself. If you choose not to create ebooks yourself, you can sell books that people have written already. You can publish it online. In fact, there's a site where you can download this book for free and edit it at your own pace and publish it and sell it and take all the royalties yourself, take all the benefits and the profit yourself. So this is not a matter of whether you don't know how to write books. You don't need to be a writer. You can sell other people's products, other people's digital products, and earn from it. Are you getting it now? This is exactly one of the ways I make money by selling digital products. If you look at your screen right now, you can see that this is another money that was made by selling somebody else's products. I did not create the product myself. I just recommended, people bought, and I got paid a certain commission. That's what some people call affiliate marketing. All right, so what this is telling you is that you don't need to have your own products. In case you don't have a product yet, you don't need to say you want to wait till you have your product before you make money from digital products. Are you getting this now? So you can sell ebooks, you can sell courses, you can sell audiobooks. All right, if you want to learn how to do this particular one, if you want to learn how to create ebooks, you want to learn how to create online courses, just go to the link in the description. I have a program that I've created that will show you step by step how to do that. Okay, just go to the link in the description and check for it. Okay, that's my number 5. Number 6 is web design, assets, and themes. If you're good with selling websites, you can go online and sell themes. This one is actually for people who are a bit higher in tech. All right, if you're not really good at tech, this one is not for you, but I can tell you that it is selling. You can also be a web designer and be making money as a web designer. That's another digital product that is for people that are a bit higher in tech. Okay, that's my number 6. Number 7 is printable and digital art. Okay, you can create printable art. You can create designs that people can download and use it on their clothes, or use it on their album, or use it on their mugs, or use it on their frames. Are you getting now? This is another digital product that you can sell and make money for yourself. And the beautiful thing about this is it doesn't take much effort. You can do this in less than 24 hours and start making money for yourself. Okay, so you can also sell NFTs if you are good with NFTs. All right, you can sell stickers and emojis and all of that. That's number 7. Number 8 is softwares, okay, and SaaS solutions. Now let me talk a bit about this. There are business owners that are too engaged and they're having challenges with their business. You can create a software that solves their problem and offer it as a solution to them. Automation tools for social media is one of them. You can create automation tools for emails, email marketing. You can create automation tools that helps them to analyze things in their business, and it doesn't have to involve any coding, right? So this is something you can also do. If you want to learn more about this, just go to the internet, go to Google and search more about this. Now my number 8 is business and marketing tools. Okay, this is also related to SaaS business. You can create AI-driven business name generators for people who want to create names for their business. You can create pre-made business proposals, all right, and contract templates. So anybody who wants to create these things, they will have to buy from you, right? They don't have to be cracking their brain. All you need to do, you create it as a template that can be customized, and then you host it online. And once they make a purchase, you get paid, they get it downloaded to their devices. Are you getting it now? So this is one way to make money as a digital product seller. All right, I have done this before. This particular one, I have done it before. Someone from India bought a resume that I created online. If you want to see that resume, I will drop the link there underneath the description of this video. So make sure to check the link in the description. Now let's go to number 10, which is my last one. You can sell health and wellness digital products. You can sell meal plans, you can sell templates, you can sell diet guides, to help people plan their meals. You can sell AI powered workout routine if you are a fitness coach. You can sell meditation and self improvement guides. Are you getting this now? There are many digital products you can be selling to make money online, but for now these are just 10. All right, I believe that you're getting value from this. I believe that you got value from this. If you got value from this, kindly like this video, kindly subscribe, make sure to turn on the notification bell so that when I post new videos, you are going to be notified. All right, if you want to learn how to make money online by selling digital products, I will drop links in the description. Make sure to check that link, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.